All right, so it's a continuation from yesterday. Now we are going to graph the equations. So draw lines for each of them and then identify the solution. All right, so we're kind of putting together Tuesday and Wednesday. So this first equation, I always like to identify my m and my b. My m is 3/2. My b is -4. So I start at the -4, put my point. My slope is 3/2. So from that point, I rise 3, run 2. I'm going to do it again. Rise 3, run 2. I'm going to do it one more time. Rise 3, run 2. I'm going to connect. Make my line. All right, the second line, excuse me, we have an m value of -2. So -2/1. My b value is 3. So I'm going to start at +3, put my point. My slope is negative, so instead of going up, I'm going to go down to right 1. Oops, I have an extra point there. I didn't mean to do that. I'm going to do it again, down to right 1, and you may already have noticed something. Connect. So hopefully you noticed you already found that intersection point. So it looks like there's one solution to this, and that point right there. So now the coordinates of that point are 2, -1. So this is one solution. The two lines intersect at 2, -1. Let's try another one. Okay, so again, I'm going to identify my m and my b. So my m is 4/2. My b is -2. Let's graph that, starting at -2. So I go up 4, right 2, up 4, right 2, connect. All right, let's do the next one. My m is 2/1. My b is -2. All right, again, I get -2. So if I go up 2, right 1, what are you noticing already? If I connect these, I'm going to have the same exact line. Because again, you notice the slopes, those are the same. 4/2 is equal to 2, and -2 and -2. So these are the same exact line. This is what we call infinite solutions. So again, it's the exact same line, so every point is a solution. All right, let's try one more. Maybe you can guess what this one will be. All right, my m value is 2. I always like to write it as a fraction. B value is -3. Plot that -3. My slope is 2/1, so I go up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to go a point in the opposite direction, so I'm going to go down 2, left 1. Connect, make my line. All right. Next one, again, my m value is 2, or 2/1. B value is 1. Start at +1, and I'm going to go up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1, down 2, left 1. Just always more, makes it a little more accurate to have more points. So what do you notice about these lines? They're parallel. Parallel lines will never intersect. So this is what we call no solution. And remember, parallel lines have the same slope. So this is no solution. They will never intersect. All right, you can move on to your independent.